Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon and we are on the Bustamante Highway. This highway is named after Jamaica's national hero, Sir Alexander Bustamante. Now every year they put out a list of the road with the most accidents or the most fatal accidents, and Bustamante Highway is the most dangerous road in Jamaica. You have more fatal accidents on this road than any other road in Jamaica. And it seems like a normal road, I'm not sure why, but this road has the most. So this road runs from Sandy Bay to Maypen, or more precise, if you're driving from Old Harbour to Maypen, this is a road you would use. Now St. Catherine has a large population, so does Clarendon, but by no means the largest populations in Jamaica. So I don't know if it's that more people use this road, but it's not the busiest road in Jamaica. That's Mandela Highway, but this road has more fatal accidents than Mandela Highway. It has more than the highways: North-South Highway, PJ Patterson Highway, Northern Coastal Highway. So, not sure why. But we're driving towards Maypen now from the Sandy Bay end. And also the road needs to be fixed, some renovating. I mean, this is a main road. The only alternate route between Old Harbour and Maypen is the highway, but you have to pay to use the highway. So this road hopefully will be renovated soon. The government is doing an excellent job with these main roads. The only road that I really would say, okay, we're not going there, but the St. Thomas Road, the road leading into St. Thomas, could use a little renovating. But the government is doing an excellent job with these roads, and the highways, the main roads, the roads that have a lot of traffic on them, those are the roads that get priority to be fixed. But they'll get around to these roads eventually. But this road should be high on the list because, as we say, it connects Old Harbour to Maypen. And if you drive into Mandeville, Westmoreland, this is a road you'd have to take if you don't go on the highway. So this is a very important road. I'm sure it will be fixed soon. Now you're going to have to ask yourself a question. If the road in this state has so many accidents, if they fix it and turn it into a 4-lane road with nicely paved, will that increase the number of accidents or will it decrease the number of accidents? I'm not sure. But if anybody knows why this road would have so many accidents, you can leave a comment in the section below, because it looks like a regular road in Jamaica. I don't see anything special or anything worse about it. I don't know why. I mean, I'm assuming it has a lot of traffic, but it's not the busiest road. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. into the Mineral Heights area now, so on the left, it's the Mineral Heights area. It's a very large community just outside of Maypen. Alright, so at this roundabout now, if we turn left, the first left, that will take us towards the entrance for the PJ Patterson Highway and also take us to Lionel Town. Okay, so this left turn here takes us to the highway and also to Lionel Town. Now this left turn here takes us onto the Maypen bypass, and you bypass the town and go on your way. Now this left turn takes us into Maypen, into the town itself of Maypen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.